Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic fabric wave animation like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it fractal noise, then hit OK. For sure I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fractal yeah, noise. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to transform, uncheck uniform scaling and scale width. I'll change it to 3000. Also, I'll increase height to 500. Make sure that you are on the first frame, keyframe on offset turbulence. Go to last frame and move position X like this. Let me see this. Yeah, this is very good. Also, complexity, I'll change it to 3. Evolution, Alt keyframe, and I'll type time times 200. Let me see this. Yeah. Also, I'll go to sub settings and I'll decrease rotation around maybe something like this. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, now I'll add a new solid. I'll name it Gastics. And I'll go to fix and presets and I'll type Gastics. Gastics. Double click or drag and drop. Now I'll go to button, and set Gastics to none. And also water, I change none to fractal noise, source effects and presets, and I'll change this color to black. Then I'll go to smoothing and I'll increase it around 30. Okay, I don't need sky. I'll go to lighting and I'll increase light intensity maybe to 4. And that's it. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and